Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to sync WooCommerce and Etsy. This integration is incredibly useful if you're running an online store across multiple platforms, as it allows you to manage your inventory, orders, and products from one central location, saving you time and reducing the risk of overselling or missing orders. Let's get started. First, open up your browser and navigate to WordPress.com. If you haven't logged into your account yet, go ahead and sign in now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store, as this is where we'll be installing the necessary plugin. Once you're logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, look over to the left navigation menu and click on Plugins. This will expand a submenu with several options. From these options, click on Add Plugin. This takes you to the plugin directory where you can browse and install tools to extend your WooCommerce functionality. Now you'll see the plugins page displaying all the available plugins you can add and utilize on your WooCommerce account. At the top of this page, locate the search bar, type in Etsy, and press Enter. The results will show several Etsy-related plugins, but the one you're looking for is called Etsy Integration for WooCommerce. Once you spot it, click on More Details to see a complete overview of what this plugin offers. Take a moment to review the features and functions to ensure it meets your needs. When you're ready to proceed, click Install Now. The installation process might take a little while depending on your internet connection, so just be patient while it completes. Once the installation is finished, you'll see the button change to Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. After clicking Activate, your page will refresh automatically. This might take a few seconds, so give it a moment. Once the page reloads, you'll notice a new option has been added to your left navigation menu called Etsy Sync. Click on this new menu item to begin the setup process. From here, the process is pretty straightforward. You'll be guided through 4 essential steps to complete the integration. First, you'll connect your Etsy account by authorizing WordPress to access your Etsy shop. Second, you'll configure your sync settings to determine how products and inventory are updated between platforms. Third, you'll set up your order settings to manage how orders from Etsy are handled in WooCommerce. And finally, you'll configure product imports to bring your existing Etsy listings into WooCommerce or vice versa. Simply follow each step in order and the plugin will walk you through the entire setup. And that's it. You've successfully synced WooCommerce and Etsy, giving you seamless control over both platforms from a single dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.